Hello, I'm Bill Albin, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to teach you what you need to know to be a local news reporter. In this clip, we're going to talk about IFBs. An IFB is, well, it's the earpiece that a reporter or an anchor wears when they're doing the news. It's really quite simple. An IFB is just a device that's much like your iPod headphones or any other headphones, and it's a little speaker that allows you to hear what the director and the producer are talking about. Oftentimes, a director or producer will want you to do something different. They might say, well, I'd like him to move over to his left a little bit, so I'll move over to my left. They would say that in my ear. They would say, Bill, move over to the left, and I would move to the left. Or there might be a change in a story. For example, if I'm live on location and there's some exciting event going on and a new development happens while I'm speaking, they would let me know that. For example, when I started talking about the story, when I started talking about a store that was robbed, for example, let's say there wasn't anyone in custody. Let's say 30 seconds later, the police catch someone. Well, a producer or someone in the newsroom might understand that they just caught somebody. But me, it's too late for me to know that. They could say through my IFB, hey, Bill, they caught somebody. And then I could transition directly from what I was saying into, and tonight, they've caught somebody. They just caught him 30 seconds ago, and I never would have known that. And I would never have been able to relate that in the story without being able to get information through my earpiece, my IFB, on the scene.